Randy Carr, Senior Vice President of Service and Maintenance for North America at GDI Ainsworth. Been in the HVAC industry for approximately 30 years now. I get to go around and work with standardization, some technology, some processes and efficiencies. When we first launched XOI and introduced it to our organization, we used it to streamline our quotation process. So, we go out, we do work, we do service work or we do maintenance for our clientele, but they expect us to tell them what is wrong and what their, maybe their gaps or their pitfalls are going to happen with their equipment. Using XOI, focusing on an asset, allows us to be able to streamline our quotations and educate our clients. That is one of the powerful things about XOI, is that we share the information we have. There's no good need or reason to keep it to ourselves, so we get to share that information. Using XOI has reduced our quote times by 10 to 15 minutes per quotation. That is getting the right information to our quotation specialists, them being able to do a quality quote, including a link with pictures and videos, have been superb. We've also seen our AR reduce because we're delivering quality invoices. We average around a 28 to 30 day AR collections based on the fact that we're giving quality invoices now and quality information to our customers as well. We're at around 20,000 AI summaries right now, which has saved approximately 1,500 man hours, which is allowing our technicians on site to build better relationships with our clients or being more effective doing the work that they're tasked to do. So we're building that trust. XOI allows us to be that trusted advisor with our client and allows us to earn the right to ask for more business.